Hey, what's up guys? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the travel pack from Fjällräven. This unique travel pack is made from a G1000 heavy-duty fabric that's still going to be lightweight and stylish. You can see this whole thing has a beautiful structure to it to really make it a convenient traveling item. You've got one exterior handle on the side as well as the top for sturdy carrying, and around to the back side we've got those stowable backpack straps with the mesh lining that not only make it convenient to carry, but also very versatile. On the back side, we've got a dual zipper pocket, have the kissable zipper so you can lock everything down and keep it safe for traveling. Super cool back panel here where you'll find some storage for your laptop with lots of padding. You've also got an additional slip pocket with some fleece on the inside to store your tablet or other items, and a pen. And you've got the back wall panel here. It's got an additional spot for storage and an organizational panel with the mesh. Inside, we've got the mesh panels that have tons of room for all your goodies, including, check this one out guys, you got this one mesh pocket up here. It actually allows you to access that front pocket for an easy, convenient way to get to the main pocket. We've got an additional very large mesh pocket organizational system over here with a built-in slip down there so you can keep some stuff organized and ready to go. On the outside, we have a pocket with dual zippers. Opens nice and wide for you. It's got a mesh organizational pocket and still plenty of space inside to store some extra goodies. Moving to the next pocket, you'll see that we've got the lockable kissable zippers to protect some of your items in there. Keep them all locked down. Check it out guys, we've got so much storage space in here, including some mesh organizational pockets. You can store all of your items. Moving on to the inside, we've got one smaller pocket on the front here, but you can stow some smaller items. It's got lots of protection to keep them safe. Also got one exterior small pocket up on the top here that's got a super soft fleece lining to store some of your items that are softer and more sensitive. It's got tons of padding to keep it all safe as well. And you can see right here at the top, it's where you got those stowable strap areas. It's got a zipper so you can lock those away in case you don't need the straps. So if you're a frequent traveler, don't want to miss out on this super versatile pack from Fjällräven.